Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can connect your Shopify store with this platform, WhatsApp Bot Builder. So if you're a smaller mid-sized business owner, you know how important it is to stay connected with your customers. WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging platform, and with VoB, this platform, you can send automatic updates like order confirmation, shipping updates, and even cart abandonment reminders directly to your customers' WhatsApp. This not only saves you time but also enhance your customer experience. No extra work, no extra cost, and this will just be amazing. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Shopify admin panel. The URL usually begins with admin.shopify.com, and then you need to install an app called Flow. So you just simply search this application, FLOW. This is the app which you have. I have already installed this Flow. Once you have installed this Flow, you need to come here and create workflow. And here you need to select a trigger. A trigger could be anything. For example, whenever your customer is paying for order, whenever they are abandoning the cart, whenever you are adding a new product details, whenever you are launching a new page, anything. So for this demo, let's choose the trigger as whenever someone is paying for order. So I'll search. You can simply search all those triggers from here. You see there's a lot of triggers which we have. For example, whenever some fulfillment is created, whenever order is cancelled, whenever order is paid. So in this case, let's choose this. And once this is done, you need to click on this plus and choose the action. Now under action, you need to choose HTTP request, send, yes, this one, send HTTP request. One very important note right here that this option is not available under Shopify's basics plan. So you need to have either any one of these plans to use this as send HTTP request. But if you have just basic plan of Shopify, then this option send HTTP request may not be available for now. So click on this, and then here we need to set up the configuration. HTTP method is going to be post because we are going to send some details to WhatsApp bot builder VoB platform. Here you need to write the URL, the webhook URL. So to generate this, we need to go to VoB, create a new webhook. I will call it Shopify order creation. Click on create, and then you will get this link. Simply copy it from here, come back to Shopify, paste this, and then we are done. Then we need to write something under headers. So here we have two options, keys and values. So under keys, we need to mention content type. So I'll write here type's value is going to be application slash body. We need to write all the details which we will be sending to WhatsApp bot builder. So under body, you need to add data you want to send. For example, here the trigger is order paid. So whenever someone is paying, I want to send some data like the customer name, customer WhatsApp number, and the item which they have paid for or they have purchased, right? So simply come here to body, and then let's start writing here. So first I'll click on add a variable and search for name. Let's see where we have the we need the phone number. Phone number is very important because only on this number we will be sending message on WhatsApp. So add a variable, search for phone and the phone number associated with the customer, and then the last data which we want to send is the item, what product they have purchased. So add a variable, and then you can search maybe product name and the product. Yes. Similarly, you can add multiple data under body. Let's say if you are sending um, cart abandonment reminders, you can share the link of the cart. Or let's say when you are sharing the shipping details, you can share the link of that tracking link. So whatever data you want to send, you can send it from here, the body section. There is a number of data you can send. You can send as many as you want. based on your use case. So once you have set up this thing right here, you can just turn on this workflow from here, turn this on, and now this workflow is turned on, which means whenever someone will be whenever someone will be paying for an order, this workflow will be sending the data on this HTTP link, and it will be fetched on WhatsApp bot builder platform. So now to our platform VOB and try to map the fields. Now, before we go to VOB, we can just double check that the workflow name, the trigger is auto created, and this is active. So now let's get back to the VOB platform here, and then here we should be request whenever someone will be creating order. So let's go to VOB platform and let's create a fake order. So I'll come here, create an order, and then let me choose the customer as myself. And then so I'll simply add one of the product which I have. Let's say we are Star Wars t-shirt, click here, and then mark as the sample order from the admin panel. Now, if we go here, click on check test request. And if we refresh, you would see under request panel, we have received one request, and these are the three details which we received. Now we just simply need to map these fields. So out of all these three data, what is phone number? So I'll click on phone. This will be my phone number. Now I want to update this contact under my contact database under this platform. So I'll choose the name. And now I need to create a flow where we will be sending some sample order confirmation message. So if we go to flows, I have created one flow for Shopify, and this looks like something like this. So here we just message like this, hi, name, again, name and from Shopify. And then we have successfully received your order for item. Item again will be sent from Shopify. So we have used these two system field here. How you can do that? You just need to click on these curly braces here and then select the user field. So user field name, I'll do here similarly. You can have one for item. I have already created one from here. If you have not created any user field or system variable now, you can just go to settings under user field and you can create user field from here. I have already one called name and then one called item. If I search, so I have both these. I've simply used them into the flow, which is this flow, and now I want to send a message like this. So now what I need to do, I need to map those data which Shopify has provided into these system field, custom field, and then we'll run this flow. So let's go to automations, let's go to webhook, and then let's map these fields. So I'll click on add new action and then update custom field. So first of all, I'll update the name custom field with the name value, one more custom field, and I'll update item here, which is this, and then I'll choose what is the item. And the last step is to run the flow. The flow name is Shopify order creation on. And the next time, whenever whenever someone is paying for an order, the Shopify will be able to send data on VOB and VOB will be able to send message on. So you just need to simply put this webhook live from here in the top right, just turn this on and now you are all ready to go. So to test this, let's go to Shopify once again and let's go to create a new order once again. And I'll add a customer myself, and then let's choose the product. Again, I just have two products for this demo purpose. So I'll click one and then I'll mark as paid. As soon as I have mark as paid, the trigger is whenever someone is paying for order, this should be directly sent to VOB and VOB able to send all this data directly to the WhatsApp number. So if I go to my chats here and under the chats, you can see that this message has been sent. Hi, we have successfully received your order for this. And then the rest of the message. So the first, this name and this data, both this data, this name, and the phone number has been provided from Shopify, which we have mapped under the field right here. And then whenever someone is based on a certain trigger, all this thing is happening. You need to make sure that you are updating all the custom fields first and then running the flow. So all these things will happen in a sequential order. So this is how it will be configured, very easy to set up. Want to check whether the data was sent from Shopify or not, you can simply go to flows and click on that particular everything, how many time data was sent and everything, all the timelines from here. And that's it. That's it how you can configure and how you can connect your Shopify store with WhatsApp bot builder. And then whenever based on certain trigger, be it order creation, be it cart abandonment, be it shipping details, or whenever you are launching a new product, all those communication can be directly sent on customers' WhatsApp. So you have set up a powerful automation, and that will save your time and keep your customers informed. You can use the same steps for other events, as I said, and then you can create one more for order cancellation or maybe for order refunds, and you can send the confirmation on customers' WhatsApp. So that was it for this video. I hope you found this very informative. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us via our intercom or using this chat button right here under this platform. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.